Question 2. Is it possible to increase prana by simple relaxation technique? Are the yoga practices necessary to increase Prana Shakti for pursuing meditation? Answer. For success in meditation and to achieve deep concentration, it is an absolute necessity to control breath, and the thought process must be checked. Thoughtless state must be achieved and mental activities should be dissolved. For this Udana Prana is required, which can be increased by Kriya Yoga and breathing exercises. This finally leads to raising the Kundalini power through Sushumna Naadi that helps the Sadhaka for meditation and mergence with the supernal. Relaxation technique helps to give rest to the human system, mind, and nervous system and releases the excessive store energy to the system, which takes the system to slumbering state, but anyway does not increase the Prana Shakti and Udana Prana in the system, which can help to awaken the Kundalini power. Relaxation as the primary exercise is very useful for smoothing and organizing the breath pattern that is helpful in Kriya Yoga to enhance the Udana Prana easily in the system. Breath is conceived as the part of Maya. Total relaxation without the help of the breath is not possible, and it is not feasible even to an avdhuta. Also, the question does not arise for the ascendance of prana just by relaxation. However, it is helpful for the body, mind and senses to be in relative composed state and without conflicting energy to disturb him during relaxation. In the spiritual path of evolution there are 5 basic transit locations, namely Akara, Yakara, Archandra, Arohi, and Bindu, which give or transmit to Jiva, Rupa, Nama, Bhakti, Priyam and Asti respectively. These physical astral virtues and their representations are the effect of the cause of ascendance in the path of the unknown, particularly Rupa or figure and Nama are beyond my illusion as the divine beauty. By simple relaxation one cannot achieve these virtues, and even the glimpse of these priceless decors in the human life. Furthermore, it may be noted that Ishvara, Gayatri and Brahma have 5 faces. They are known as Panch or 5 Brahmas. Lord Shiva removed one of the heads of Brahma because of his false egoism and unmirthful claim. Although Brahma is the creator, still there are no temples, a very few, for the worship of Brahma on this earth. Only Vishnu and Shiva are mostly worshipped, being the god of Satoguna and Tamoguna, respectively, and have maximum temples for their worship. Brahma, the creator, the god of Rajoguna, is hardly worshipped. King and Gruhastha or family men are never relaxed because of various responsibilities and activities of the kingdom and their families, respectively. Their time is not theirs. They hardly spare time to be with the self and relax. On the contrary, a beggar is relatively more relaxed most of the time and not even much bothered for his future. If he gets something, he is happy, and even if he does not get, he feels relaxed. He totally surrendered to God for his welfare. His time is of his own, and he prays, sings the song praising God and feels totally relaxed within himself, and is unaware of his surroundings and comforts. He is truly in ecstasy. If such a high order of non-awareness and relaxation prevails for the sadhaka, then he does not need yoga practices for pursuing meditation. Being relaxed, he is in meditation and with the Almighty. In short, a high level of mental and physical relaxation and unawareness is a stage of Samadhi. Under these conditions, spiritual aspirant does not need practices of yoga. By deeper relaxation in unawareness, detachment, and without any prejudices, he is in the state above that of Turiya when he is totally merged in the devotional songs of his Lord without any formal yoga practices. Otherwise, mergence with the supernal with just temporary relaxation is a hypothesis and may be true hypothetically and not otherwise with a practical viewpoint.